All right, kiddos, you should have your worksheet on homophones with a checking pen, and make sure you have your headphones on and the volume turned up. So we are looking at homophones, words that sound the same. Phon or phone means sound, homo means same. We have two, and two. TOO means either too much or too many, or it can mean the word also. TO is like going toward, or like to talk, to plus a verb, to talk, to sing, to walk. And then TWO, of course, is the number 2. So let's take a look at number 1. I have a dog and 2 cats. Is it I have a dog and also cats? Or a dog and toward cats, or a dog and to the number cats? We're talking about having 2 cats, the number. So put TWO. Okay, I messed up. Ah! This is interesting. Okay. Should be TWO. Let me see if I can get this to get out of there. There you go. TWO, the number 2. Cats. All right. Again, same homophones. I love pizza. Mr. Gregory loves pizza also, pizza toward, or pizza the number 2. Well, we hope it's not pizza the number 2. He loves pizza also, so that's TOO. We went to Walmart on Wednesday. We went also Walmart on Wednesday. We went the number 2 Walmart Wednesday, or we went to, as in toward Walmart, the place on Wednesday. All right, now we have there, and there. THERE is as in a place. THEIR means belongs to them. And THEY apostrophe RE is a contraction for the words they are. So I like that you can actually see the word here, because here is a place in the word there as a place. And I like that you can kind of see the word are and they are. By the way, I should have said this at the beginning of this. You need to be writing down these notes on your paper. So I should be able to go back and see where you wrote down what each of these means. Just like I have it typed on here, it should be written on your page. Okay, so if you did not do that, then you can just push the pause button and go ahead and copy all this down so that you're not, so that you're still able to listen. You can push pause at any time if you need to catch up with the writing. All right, number 4, please put your books over there, as in a place. Over belongs to them, or over they are. Well, it's over there as in a place, so you should have THERE. All right, they're going to the skating rink on Saturday. Is it over there going to the skating rink? Is it belongs to them going to the skating rink, or is it they are going to the skating rink? It is they are, so it's the contraction. Make sure you capitalize your T, and don't forget your apostrophe right there between your Y and your R. Mr. Johnson's, or the Johnsons, sold their house for a lot of money. Is it sold over their house, sold their house as in it belongs to them, or sold they our house? Well, their house belongs to them. It's possessive. All right, next set. We have road as in ROAD. That is in a synonym for a street. This, RODE, is the past tense of ride. So I rode my bike down the road. Well, I rode, RODE, because it's what you're doing. You're riding your bike down the street. So that's ROAD. All right, number 8, we have deer, DEER. This is like Bambi. If you don't know who Bambi is, this is Bambi. Bambi is a Disney deer, okay? So whenever you think of DEER, think of Bambi, okay? DEAR is like someone that, it's like a term of kindness, like someone is a dear. They're kind to your heart. They're special. Okay, so I began my letter, Bambi Judy, or I began my letter as in dear, as in special Judy. Being kind to Judy. Oh, man, Mrs. Gregory is messing everything up. Should be D-E-A-R because Judy is special. All right, number 9. My son always tells me to watch out for deer on the side of the road. Are they talking about my son always tells me to watch out for Bambi on the side of the road? Sounds to me like that's right. Or deer as in special. It is going to be Bambi, so it is D-E-E-R. In English class, we learned how to write a letter. We have W-R-I-T-E, which is past tense of wrote, like you are writing with your hand, with your pencil. And then R-I-G-H-T means the opposite of wrong, or like the opposite of left, like left and right positions. In English class, we learned how to write a letter. Well, we are writing like with a pencil, so that is W-R-I-T-E. Make sure you have all that written down. You would spell that W-R-I-T-T-E-N. And you may turn your page when you are ready. Push pause if you need to. All right, we have write and write again. I'm not going to make you write that down again. I cannot brush my teeth with my right. This is opposite of left hand. All right, number 12, we have no, as in the opposite of yes, and then know as in what you know in your mind, like your knowledge. I did not know the answer in science class. That's something you would not know in your mind. So it's K-N-O-W. When I asked to spend the night with my friend, my mom said no as in the opposite of yes, or no in my mind. It should be no as in the opposite of yes. Hour and hour, H-O-U-R is like with time, with hours and minutes. O-U-R means belongs to us. In school, we learned to tell time to the nearest hour. Well, it's time. It says it right there. So that is going to be H-O-U-R, nearest hour. We need to buy a new roof for our house. Well, the house belongs to us, so it is O-U-R. Buy and buy. B-U-Y means to purchase with money. B-Y means next to, beside. Or it can be like written by. Okay, I went to the store to buy some bread. Well, you are, oh, that should say purchase with an E on the end. I'm sorry. You are going to purchase the bread with money, right? So that's B-U-Y. That story was written by Gary Paulson. That's B-Y. Through and through. T-H-R-O-U-G-H means like passing from one place or one location to another. And then T-H-R-E-W means the past tense of throw, like you throw a ball. My son Lathan threw the baseball over my head while he's throwing a ball. So that's T-H-R-E-W. I was so excited to get home that I ran through the doorway. You're passing from one place to another. So T-H-R-O-U-G-H. All right, once you have finished checking this, just put it back into your centers folder. I will take it up from you. All right, good job.